Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing another Roblox story game since y'all all seem to like the Amanda the Adventurer one so much. So we will be doing Grimace story time. Unfortunately, I forgot to record the first part, so the video will start with me just teleporting into the server, but that'll be all. And enjoy. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, I've been busy, but enjoy. And we are starting the video. Hello, hello. Okay, let's see what we're getting ourselves into. Not the new Grimace shake. I'm only trying this because I saw this everywhere. And we playing soccer. And I've already missed. Okay. Boo-hoo. Oh my god. Look at how tiny I am. I'm so small. Welcome to my home, friends. And we got our bat out, you know what I'm saying? I'm so small. I feel like a little blueberry. Oh my god, I hate it. I hate it. Then we can go get Grimace shakes. Clean my bed. I'm not even gonna ask what's in this sandwich right now. Hamburgers sound nice. Yeah, hamburgers. Ew, they do wearing a diaper. I kind of want a new bed. Can I get near someone? I feel like I can't be alone. What if he busts up in the room? You know what I'm saying? Okay, this bed doesn't work. No, do any of the beds work? What's this dude following me? Eat up. No, I refuse to eat that burger. I don't want to eat it. Cheers, burger. Alright, sorry. I love that sound. Go into the kitchen. It's time for the launch of the Grimace shake. Bro, nobody's trying to go over there. No. Dang it. Roblox will be destroyed. The Roblox will be destroyed. It's Grimace's birthday. Oh my god. Do y'all see that in the chat? It said Jamaica gotta get. That's me. Ew. Hold on. Jamaica gotta jump. No, I'm scared. I'm about to type, yo. No. About to type back. Weirdo. Ew. Creep. Explore Elizabeth, the movie. I am Grimace. Bro, what's wrong with you? Then he laughed. Now I'm laughing. Drink the shake if you dare. No, I'll pass. Thanks. I'll pass. Let me show you what will happen if you don't drink the shake. Pick a friend of yours. I don't know any of these people. So where's she gonna go? I don't know. We're just gonna pick this. Gonna pick this girl. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know who these people are. You will be made an example of what will happen if you don't drink the shake. Swing on my bed like a baseball. Ooh. Not her just dying though. Like, now you are all next. Wait, what? He's real. Run. I didn't get what they meant when they. I'm going to the kitchen. I need somewhere to hide. Can I hide on top of the fridge? No. Please. Oh my god. Oh, oh no. That's not it. Let me hide. No. Also, just gonna take a moment. It's just pretty much just me sitting there and hiding there. Also, sorry if my voice sounds really, really scratchy. I have no idea why it's doing that. It might just be some allergies, but yeah. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm so sorry if my voice sounds scratchy for the rest. Not that I'm just kidding though, like, bro really out here like, just wanted to scare you a little bit. That was not a little bit, sir. If you wish to find me, look for the first clue in the forest. Or you could just sit here and stay home. Safe, cozy, and warm. Like any other normal person. Not me stuttering. And if you hear me clear my throat, I am so sorry for that. My voice is scratch. Grimace is real. We must stop him from making everyone drink his birthday shake before he controls the world. Not the world. He said there would be a clue in the forest. Let's go. What do you mean, let's go there? Can't stay here, live. Oh my god. Sorry. Okay, Grimace said we should find a clue in the forest. Let's walk until we find something. Why is it red? Why is it Bloody Mary? No, Mary. Oh, sorry. Why does it look like Bloody Mary over here? Like, really? Actually, I don't even think. I'm just gonna shut up. I'm sorry. Follow chain. I'm like staying so close. Like, I can't. I'm not nothing to pop out, spawn. Not him walking so slow though. Like, pick up the pace. In the cabin. The clue has to be in there. Let's go inside. I'm sorry, I just need to shop. I don't know what to buy, and I really need. I got 10 seconds to go inside the cabin. Okay. Let's go upstairs, check out the stairs. Start searching for a clue about Grimace.
We officially found clue one. You can go ahead and read that for yourselves. I don't care. Take all the time you need, I guess. And we're gonna go right back downstairs because I just can't. I don't even know what to do. Are we trapped in a hole? Look! The roof is open. Sorry, I'm gonna go shopping. I don't know. I need something. I'm bored. I need. Check for a lever or button anywhere. No, it's expensive. Pushing the bottom of my carrot because I'm gonna feel like I use that. Oh my god, I'm wasting time right now. Sorry. Okay. Okay, easy obby. Woo, easy. Easy. Almost there. Three. Let's go. Let's go. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Please, please, please. Oh my god. I literally gotta speed my way through this. No! Okay, so we died. So, we're gonna go ahead and revive. Oh my god, let me use it on option. Anyways. Okay, well, we're back. We still have the med kit, which I guess comes in handy. Great. A graveyard. Mm, why has it gotta be included in the graveyard? Why the graveyard? No, why the graveyard of all places? Damn, I got me a flashlight. Oop, I see it. Let me not find it. I'll go ahead and read it. I'm gonna go jump over here because I'm afraid. I know something's gonna come out. And I mean, I would be fighting right now, but I don't know. I really am not trying to waste my time. I can't get up here. Thank you. There we go. Oh my god, what happened? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry. That's what blocking the path the entire time. Okay, it's still here. So you can do all the dirty work for me. Okay, we're just gonna vibe. We're just gonna vibe. I can do give me don't do it. Good job, team. We defeated Grimace's friends. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. We are getting closer. Let's go find Grimace. Why we gotta go find Grimace? Why can't we just live our lives? It's Grimace's headquarters. There's a third clue. Why is it floating on the ground? Take the time you need. Read. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Elizabeth only. There are two holes. We have to choose one. Pick me. Love me. Oh, she's no. I want to say this one really bad. No, just already get some. Thanks. This hole. Better. Not that tumble. Okay. Can't pass. Okay, no. And of course, it's just got to be a lava hobby. Oh, this looks really easy. Well, we have no choice but to. Why? No, they move up and down. I mean, it's not like they're wobbling. I think I can probably do this. Ooh, she died. Okay, well, it's just the two of them. Just the two of us. We can make it. Sorry, I just got a little shaking habit about it. And way too easy. Yay, we did it! I'm gonna give her some confidence because I don't want her to leave and then I'd be alone. Because I was alone last time in the adventure. If you haven't seen that, I would say go ahead and watch. I think Grimace is right outside this cave. Yay, now we just gotta beat Grimace. We got this, we got this. We got this. See, look at me. Oh, wow. I mean, he's still there. He's still there ugly, though. It was my birthday. All you had to do was drink my shake. No. No, thank you. You're finished, Grimace. We will stop you. We'll see about that one. Actually, we'll see about that. What that means. Okay. Okay, so we just fight them through. I never know. It's a barrier or not. If I can get him. Not her joining me last minute. Okay. Do I stay? No, okay. Idiot, you suck. Oh, come on, I did nothing. Okay, get him. Okay, so far health is pretty good. Go, 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 go. Okay, we got you, Grimace. This music's a vibe. I know you can't see me, obviously, but like, the vibe. I don't know, something. I know you can't see me, but I'm vibing to this. It's giving on Enders right now. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Oh my god, she's almost dead. Please. I'm always left alone in this situation. Oh my god. Oh, she's just dead. Okay. Is she dead? No, she died. Okay. All up to Jamaica. We got this. Go, 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 go. We got this, we got this. Please just, oh my god, come on. I have so much to give. Oh, yay. Let's try anyway. I'm still waiting. Dragons, die! Please. I can't keep hitting it. It's gonna do that. If I have to do it. Yo! I have like one hit left. Stop. Okay, we got this. Okay, there we go. We finally defeated him. Enough! You win! All I wanted was to have some fun on my birthday. Let me go. No. I'll pass. Alright, pass. Let you go? Never! Let me offer some type of deal. If you let me go, I'll stop my girly shakes from being sold everywhere. Highly doubt that. Highly doubt that. No, we're just gonna end Grimace. We're just gonna end Grimace because we don't like Grimace. No deal, this is the end of not only the shakes, but you too. That's some stuff. Please! No! Bye, Grimace. I feel like I would be sad in that moment, don't know why. We got the good ending, y'all. Yes! No, I'm good. Thanks. I'll pass. I'll pass.
Okay, thank you all for joining me so much and have a very great day.
Doing the things that I never would know. Some of my niggas is cold. We don't break.